An XML sitemap is really for the benefit of Google, it's not for humans. And the idea is that when the Google search robot, the Google bot comes to your website, if there's an XML sitemap, it'll look at that first, and the XML sitemap will basically tell Google, what new pages are being created, explain to Google the structure you have on your website, what pages have been deleted, that kind of stuff. So essentially, the purpose of the XML sitemap is to make life easier for Google, which obviously is a good thing for your website. Again, as always, if we go back to the Google Webmaster Guidelines and look at the first bit here, it does clearly say provide a sitemap file, and if you click on here for more information, it'll give you information about why that's a good idea. So there's some basic information there about sitemaps, in this case an XML sitemap. But so the basic idea is it just makes life easier for Google to find its way around your website. That's really the whole point. Now, as far as installing an XML sitemap is concerned, again, if you're using WordPress, it's just simply a plugin. So let's actually have a look at that. So within WordPress, I just need to go to Plugins, Add New. And this time we search for XML Sitemap. And as you'll find, there are loads of them. This one will do. I mean, this one's got 1 million installations. It's the Google XML Sitemap. So let's activate this one. Now, if we go and look at the settings once it's been installed and activated, there's loads and loads of things we can sort of go and customize if we want to. By and large, in this case, you can probably use the default values.